Planning a trip to Europe on a budget? Wondering how to make your Eurotrip dream come true without breaking the bank? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of budget travel in Europe, offering you the top hacks for 2024. The key to a successful and affordable journey lies in smart planning and savvy decisions. So, prepare to jot down some notes as we're about to unveil the ultimate Europe travel hacks that every budget traveler needs to know in 2024. A major expense while traveling is accommodation. But fear not, because we have some hacks to help you save. When it comes to finding affordable places to rest your head in Europe, you've got plenty of options. Let's start with hostels. They're not just for backpackers anymore. You'll find a range of people staying in hostels, from solo travelers to families. And while you might share a room with others, it's a great way to meet new people and save some money. Next up are budget hotels. They often offer a few more amenities than hostels, like private rooms and sometimes free breakfast. Just remember to check for any hidden fees before you book. And don't forget about vacation rentals. These can be a great option if you're traveling with a group, as you can split the cost. Plus, having a kitchen means you can save on dining out. The key to finding these deals is flexibility and a bit of research. Consider the location and accessibility too. Staying a little further out can often mean cheaper prices, and with Europe's excellent public transport, you'll still be within easy reach of the sites. Remember, a little research and flexibility can go a long way in finding affordable accommodations in Europe. Next up, let's talk about transportation. Getting around in Europe can be quite expensive, but there are ways to cut down these costs. Europe offers a plethora of options for budget-friendly transportation. Budget airlines are a popular choice, with many offering competitive fares. However, remember to book well in advance to snag those wallet-friendly deals. Train travel is another fantastic option, offering a scenic and comfortable journey. Opting for night trains can save you a night's accommodation too. Buses are typically the cheapest mode of transportation, and with the abundance of bus companies, you're sure to find a deal that suits your budget. Car rentals can be cost-effective, especially if you're traveling as a group. And let's not forget about public transportation. Metros, trams, and buses can be a real money saver in big cities. For shorter distances, consider walking or biking. Not only will you save money, but you'll also get to enjoy the local scenery. So choose your mode of transportation wisely and save big on your European travels. Now let's talk about food and sightseeing, the two things that truly define a travel experience. When it comes to dining, local markets are a treasure trove of fresh, inexpensive produce and regional specialties. They offer a slice of local life and a chance to mingle with the natives. For a sit-down meal, look for restaurants offering fixed-price menus. They're a great way to sample a variety of dishes without the hefty price tag. Now, on to sightseeing. Many European cities offer free or discounted entry to museums and attractions on certain days or times. Do your research and plan accordingly. Walking tours are another budget-friendly way to explore. They often work on a tip-based system, so you can pay what you feel the tour was worth. Remember, experiencing Europe doesn't have to be expensive. It's about immersing yourself in the culture, tasting the cuisine, and creating unforgettable memories. With these tips, you can enjoy the best of European cuisine and attractions without spending a fortune. So there you have it. These are the ultimate Europe travel hacks for budget travelers in 2024. From finding affordable accommodations to saving on transportation, eating, and sightseeing, we've covered it all. These tips are your passport to planning a budget-friendly Eurotrip that's rich in experiences. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, so take that step today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel hacks. Here's to making your Eurotrip dream come true in 2024 without breaking the bank.